Hey, what's up, traders? This is the watch list video for Thursday, March 7th. Starting off with the SPY, kind of a narrow range, closed below its open. Kind of a weird day for those of us in chat. I mean, how many things did we see moving and halting and moving and halting? It was pretty weird out there, right? I don't know what that was. But let me slide this over. I said over the mic, I liked MEDS over 12, which happened right there. The earlier high was, I think, 12.19. So I gave that idea over the mic, and I love that Ramesh also typed it in for those that didn't have their speakers on, MEDS 12. And man, when it broke 12, I think I got filled at 12.09. Gave it some wiggle room to get filled, right? And then halted here, and I sold a big chunk right at that close, right at that second halt. And then it got choppy, and I was out. But I had a great trade in that. But you see the high was 16. If you weren't around today, check this out. Meds actually went to 21.22 from the 12 entry. I let it chase out my last few shares, and it didn't even come within 50 cents on my entry on the way back down. So that was just an error on my part. But what a huge move. Love the teamwork in there. Let me throw this up. And anyone seeing this video for the first time, understand we're day traders, and we focus on, in our chat room, we focus on stocks that are in play, right? Recent gappers from today, stuff like that. And then we only take intraday trades. I do not hold overnight. So anyway, had a nice day today. Let's talk about what we're watching for potential trades tomorrow. PLTR, put the horizontal line there, gapped up today and ended up closing above its open. So it's kind of in breakout territory. Going to keep that one on watch tomorrow for a possible second day play. Obviously, MEDS with that crazy action's got to go on watch for tomorrow. APM, kind of the same thing. Huge move, closing well off its highs, but might give a nice trade tomorrow, right? VTYX, just a recent high flyer. And it's kind of going sideways for a few days. So I'm kind of viewing this as a flag, and maybe we get some more upside. This has not been the cleanest trader, but I am going to put it on watch. DTSS. Inside day after yesterday's big rip, still some bag holders from back here. But, you know, maybe through 10 tomorrow, it topped out right around 10 today. So that one's kind of interesting. Certainly falls into the recent high flyer category. I'm going to put out charts later tonight on Twitter and StockTwits. So I don't have a trend line drawn here, but you can kind of picture a trend line if you follow my arrow, right? And it is right up to the top, and then there's the bottom trend. So this could easily squeeze if it can get up above, I don't know, somewhere up around this area, could easily squeeze. And it's got a small float. So it's one of my favorite charts. We'll see if it gives a setup tomorrow. MRAI topped out back here at 216 and also hit 216 today. So kind of a breakout above that. TERN. Nice volume today and right near a breakout over recent highs. So that one goes on watch. HIPO. Had earnings today, gapped up, sold off, but then ended up going out near the highs, and it looks like the one-year high is 2039. Today's high, 1972. So you've got a couple potential catalysts tomorrow if we get a setup. WVE, big day today, certainly extended, but I'm putting it on long watch for tomorrow. XPOF, recent high flyer that's flagging now. So you had the big pop and a kind of a tight flag. Kind of like that setup. PHUN, I'm putting on bounce watch after you had the big day 2 days ago. Then yesterday, the gap up on a red day and another red day on declining volume. This one could give a bounce play setup tomorrow. VERV just goes right back on bounce watch. It's still in that buy zone between the 8 and 20 EMAs, right? So that one stays on bounce watch. Same with CDXS, stays on bounce watch for tomorrow, had it on bounce watch for today. No trigger in either one of those. And then Tesla was pointed out to me in the YouTube live session I did after hours building the watch list. Tesla took out these recent lows today, but it's fallen 3 days in a row to get there. Sometimes, especially in a stock like Tesla, this could be a recipe for a nice snapback bounce tomorrow. So I'm just looking for a potential bounce play setup tomorrow. I'm done babbling. We'll see you all in chat in the morning. Have a great night.